Hi there, students. A eucatastrophe. A eucatastrophe. This is a countable noun. Okay, this is a catastrophe or dramatic event at the end of a story that leads to the resolution of the plot. Okay, or it results in the well-being of the hero. The reason I include this word is because this word was actually coined by J.R.R. Tolkien. Yeah, and this is part of his idea in the Lord of the Rings. So the best example of a eucatastrophe is the fact that right at the end, it's very clear that Sauron is going to win, but the One Ring is destroyed. Yeah, because because Gollum steals it, and the ring falls into the fire with Gollum. And like this, it's a catastrophe because Frodo doesn't actually complete his quest, which for him is a catastrophe. But the ring is taken from the earth. Okay, and this is the idea of a eucatastrophe. I personally think that Tolkien probably uses eucatastrophe in the same way as Deus ex machina. This is a phrase where suddenly a god appears and makes everything right, and this used to be a way of ending Greek dramas and things like that. But Deus ex machina, there's suddenly an improbable ending that resolves all the problems, and this is the idea of a eucatastrophe. It's like a happy ending that comes out of a catastrophic event. It's a sudden turn of events at the end of the story, which means that the hero doesn't have a terrible fate. He doesn't meet his doom. Yeah, it's not the end of the hero. The hero can live on. Yeah. And I think that this is the idea, but I think very often Tolkien uses eucatastrophe as a Deus ex machina solution to his problems. So a sudden and favourable resolution of events, a happy ending. Let's see, a eucatastrophe. Formality, that's a difficult one because it's not a very common word. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I don't think I'd use it informally. I think use it and then you're going to probably have to explain it. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or above. Let's see, as to origin, well, it comes from the word a catastrophe, a tragic event. Yeah, an utter failure. Yeah, so the eruption of the volcano was a catastrophe. Yeah, from ancient Greek, katastropheo, to overturn, from kata down, and strepho, I turn, so to turn down. But notice the U at the bit. This U is positive. It's something good. It's something good from, I think, from euphos, meaning good. So a good catastrophe literally is the etymology, not the entomology about insects. Okay, so a eucatastrophe. It's something that seems terrible at the end of a film, but actually, or a story, but actually saves the hero and stops the destruction, the inevitable destruction of the hero. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A Eucatastrophe, as in Lord of the Rings and J.R.R. Tolkien.